Hello, my name's RJ. I'm going to show you how to make a shark balloon today. We're going to take 260. I'm going to take a tropical teal 260. For sharks, we get to use a couple of colors, which is nice. It's a two-tone. Take the first balloon. I like to burp the balloon, let out some of the air so it's softer, and then tie it up. And we'll use gray for our second color. We're going to inflate it almost all the way. And then let out some air to make it soft. And this is helpful a little bit later, and I'll show you why. Okay, so we tie the nozzle end together, two nozzle ends. Then we go to the tail end and we tie these two together. And I always ask the kids, do you want blue on top or blue on the bottom? And that way I know if they want the top part of the shark to be blue or gray. So if they say blue on top, we'll do blue on top today. We take the two ends, pull them together in the middle, and then find center for the other side of the balloons and twist it together. Then I just take this and hold on to it in between my legs so it doesn't go anywhere. Kids like to pick up things and run off with them, and I like to give them a complete balloon when I hand it over. Then we're going to take another 260 and tie it from the nozzle on the tail end again. And with this piece here, it's a little tricky at first, but after you get the hang of it, we take this circle and we're going to divide it into thirds. So we just pull this nozzle end up into the middle and then grab a hold of it. We have 3 petals. Really quick, really easy. And it looks kind of cool, especially if it's the first time the kids have seen it done. And then we just slide, it's looking more like a shark. Slide that piece in, grab a hold of this, and this is where having the air out a little bit helps. We twist it once, and we're going to want to lock this into place because this will come undone very easily otherwise while the kids are playing with it. So we take the shark, and I have space left in here. I grab the tail end of the balloon because it's less likely to pop than the nozzle end. And I just pull it through the hole and lock it through. And then from here, I take the last two, twist it, put one on top, and one on the bottom. And then I'm just going to take the shark fins and give them a little more shape. There we go. And then I ask, is this going to be a girl or a boy? And boys go, oh, I want a boy shark. So, draw this. And then the other cool thing is a lot of times people like angry sharks. So if someone wants an angry shark, you can just put the little check mark there on both sides. And then we'll give the shark some ferocious teeth. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy, but here is a totally cool, awesome shark that kids of all ages love. A lot of adults love it too. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your support will help me know that you want to continue seeing more of these videos. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye for now.